All right, welcome to the absolutely fabulous Mianoi hangar. My name is Darren and I'm here to introduce you to one of our aviation themed coffee roasts. We have videos showing the other roast as well as different ways to brew and some product reviews of the equipment that we use. Links to those will be in the description below. I want to show you how simple, easy and fun it is to brew an awesome cup of coffee. You'll be able to amaze your friends about being this awesome barista. Just to give you a quick insight to Mianoi, she's a vintage aerobatic biplane. Roots go back to the 1930s and 40s. Fun plane to fly. You get smiles wherever you go. Makes you feel just like Indiana Jones. I've done a lot of aerobatics in her, including loops, rolls, hammerheads, and it's been a lot of fun. But for now, let me introduce you to Brew 302. This is a Honduras blend with caramel, spice, and brown sugar. It's going to give you a medium to dark roast. Brew 302 honors the RAF 302 Squadron from World War II. This squadron primarily consisted of Polish pilots. 302 Squadron was initially assigned the Hawker Hurricane, but just prior to the Battle of Britain, they received the SUPERMARINE Spitfire, which is just iconic. Polish pilots soon gained a reputation for being tenacious fighters and produced many of the aces. 302 Squadron disbanded shortly after the war, but their legacy continues. The reason why this is so close to me is Mianoi's sister plane is a Spitfire replica. It's a replica of AA-853, which flew with 302 Squadron. It's also the plane that Iron Maiden used in Aces High. They have a replica that flies out over the stage when they're singing this song in concert. It's got to look up the video. In fact, you know what? I'll put a link to the video in the description below. Our striking label pays homage to the nose art that was found on many of the World War II airplanes. It celebrates the crew, both on the ground and in the air. We understand quality and freshness is super important. It's the basis of what makes a really great cup of coffee. In fact, yeah, needed that. That's an awesome cup of coffee. You got to take my word for it, but that coffee and the beans smelling here, I mean, it's a great sensation. All right, so we roast to order in small batches and ship directly to you. We appreciate the likes, subscribe to see all of our other videos, and hit the notifications button so we can notify you when a new video comes out. Remember, it's all about the coffee unless it's time to fly. And I got blue skies, full tank of gas. It's literally time for me to go fly.